Welcome back to Glow Mode. Summer is here, and we're not just surviving the heat, we're glowing through it. Today, we're unlocking that glass skin look. You know, that clean, smooth, poreless glow, like your skin is made of light. And yes, it's possible, even in 40-degree heat. Even if you think you've tried everything before. Let's begin. Step 1. Cleanse like a minimalist. Use a gentle gel cleanser twice a day. In summer, your skin produces more sweat and oil. Don't overwash. Don't scrub like sandpaper. You want to preserve the natural barrier. Go for a pH-balanced cleanser, something between 5.0 and 5.5. This keeps your skin barrier strong, healthy, and glow-ready. Pro tip: cleanse with cool water in summer. Hot water strips your skin and causes dryness. Cool water keeps your face fresh and happy. If you wear sunscreen or go outside often, then double cleansing at night is a must. First, use a cleansing balm or micellar water. That removes sunscreen, oil, and dirt. Then use your regular cleanser. Now your pores can finally breathe. This is the secret behind glass skin in Korea. Clean skin equals clear skin, and clear skin equals glowing skin. Don't go crazy with exfoliators. No walnut scrubs. No harsh beads. No aggressive rubbing. Use a chemical exfoliant like AHA or BHA, but only 2 times a week. That's enough. AHA, like glycolic acid, removes dead skin. BHA, like salicylic acid, clears out pores and helps with acne. Less is more. Over-exfoliating means redness, breakouts, and dullness. Under-exfoliating means clogged pores and zero glow. Find your balance. Your skin will thank you. Next, ditch the harsh toners. Forget those alcohol-based formulas. We're in 2025, not 2005. Use a hydrating toner instead. Look for ones with ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or rice extract. Tap it in gently with your hand. No need for cotton pads. Let the hydration sink deep. This step plumps up your skin. And plump skin reflects light naturally, which means, you guessed it, glass skin. Now let's talk about layering. One thick moisturizer won't cut it anymore. Layer light products instead. Start with toner, then essence, then a serum, then a gel-based moisturizer. Think of your skin like a sponge. Feed it slowly so it can absorb everything. Layering hydration is what Korean skincare is built on. It's why their skin always looks juicy and fresh, not greasy. Add a vitamin C serum to your morning routine. This is your glow in a bottle. Vitamin C brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and evens out tone. It also protects your skin from pollution and sun damage. Use a serum with 10 to 20% concentration. Apply it after toner. Then lock it in with moisturizer and sunscreen. Glow plus protection equals glass skin magic. Now let's bring in a secret weapon. Sheet masks. Cheap, easy, powerful. Sheet masks are not just for fun selfie. They're targeted treatments that work fast. Use one with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, or green tea. Keep it in the fridge for extra coolness. Apply it on clean skin. Leave it for 15 minutes. Let your skin drink it up. Do this twice a week for that juicy, hydrated, glowy bounce. But all this effort can go to waste if you skip sunscreen. The biggest enemy of glass skin? UV rays. No matter how perfect your routine is, if you don't wear sunscreen, your glow will fade fast. Use broad spectrum SPF 50 every single day. Even if it's cloudy, even if you're indoors, reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're outside. Choose a gel or water-based sunscreen. No white cast, no grease, just pure protection. Heavy creams in summer? No, thank you. Use a light, gel-based, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Look for ingredients like glycerin, panthenol, or aloe vera. It should lock in hydration without clogging pores. Your skin should look dewy, not greasy. It's lightweight. It's breathable. It works. Sleep is the most underrated skincare. When you sleep, your body repairs itself. That includes your skin. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. No phone lights, no midnight scrolling. Just rest. You'll wake up looking naturally fresh. No filter needed. Just that real rested glow. Drink more water is good advice, but here's how to do it right. Don't just chug 3 liters all at once. Drink small sips throughout the day. Add lemon slices, cucumber, or mint for extra skin benefits. A hydrated body leads to hydrated skin, and hydrated skin is what gives you that glassy, luminous look. Let's talk about food. You are what you eat, and your skin shows it. Eat more skin-glowing foods like cucumbers. They hydrate your body. Tomatoes. They protect against sun damage. Oranges and berries, packed with vitamin C. Nuts and seeds, full of good fats and zinc. Green leafy veggie, loaded with antioxidants. Cut back on processed sugars, sodas, and fried junk. Your skin will show you gratitude and glow. Here's a hack. Ice. Try icing your face every morning for 30 seconds. Wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth and gently massage your face. It tightens pores, boosts blood flow, and gives you a natural flush. Or keep your toner or mist in the fridge. Apply cold products in the morning. It feels amazing and wakes your skin up. Now, let's talk about hydration on the go. Keep a hydrating mist with you. Spray it throughout the day when your skin feels dry or dull. It refreshes your glow, calms the skin, and gives a quick hydration boost. Look for ingredients like rose water, green tea, or cica extract. It's perfect for summer and won't ruin your makeup or sunscreen. Don't forget the small zones, your lips and under eyes. Use a lip balm with SPF in the day. At night, apply a nourishing lip mask. For your under eyes, use a cooling gel or patch. It reduces puffiness, brightens dark circles, and completes your glass skin look. Remember, glass skin isn't just about cheeks, it's the whole face. Now listen closely. Don't pick or pop your pimples. We know it's tempting, but don't. Popping leads to scarring, irritation, and uneven skin. Instead, use spot treatments like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or hydrocolloid patches. Let your skin heal properly. Trust the process. And the most important part of all, consistency. There's no magic cream, no one-week miracle. Glass skin comes from small, daily habits. Done patiently, done consistently. Stick to your routine. Trust the journey. Your skin is working. Even if you don't see it instantly, it takes time. But the glow is coming. This summer, don't let the heat dull your shine. Use it to become even brighter. Cleanse gently. Layer hydration with intention. Protect your skin every single day. Fuel your body with the right food. And give your skin the love it deserves. Glass skin isn't about perfection. It's about health. It's about balance. It's about being confident in your own skin. Let your skin speak. Let it shine. Let it glow. This is Glow Mode, and this is your Glow Up. See you in the next one.